Well, what I want you to do, and here's the exercise, is for the next 24 hours, I want you to think about those 3 goals all the time. I want you to think about the 3 goals, and I only want you to ask one question. And the question is, how? Yes, yes, it's how. You are good students. All right. Now, we have interviewed the top 10%, and as I said, you're in the top 10%. We've interviewed the top 10% extensively and asked them, what do you think about most of the time? And we find that the top 10% of people have a special way or several special ways of thinking most of the time. These are all learnable ways of thinking. You can learn to think like the top people. And when you think like the top people, you will get the same results as the top people. It's a law that says that your outer world will always be a mirror or a reflection of your inner world. So therefore, your outer world today is a reflection of what you're thinking about today most of the time. If you change what you're thinking, if you reprogram, then your outer world will change so it's consistent with your inner program. It's sort of like projecting on a screen. Imagine that your eyes are projection lenses, the screen is your reality or your world, and your thoughts are what are projected through your eyes onto the screen. You always project yourself onto the screen of your life. Wherever you look, you see yourself. Wherever you look, there is yourself reflected.